If your history book looks dry, you're missing the floods that shaped our world. Number 10. The Great Missoula Flood. Thousands of years ago, an ice dam burst, unleashing a biblical torrent. Number 9. China's Yellow River floods of 1931, a disaster that drowned millions. Number 8. The North Sea flood of 1953. Coastal Europe wasn't ready, and more shocking floods await. From ancient Mesopotamia to modern New Orleans, these floods didn't just change landscapes, they altered the course of history. Stay tuned for all 10.